Hello YouTubers, I am Flexo013 and I'm back for more. And this time I have a Minecraft server tutorial for you guys. And especially how to use WorldEdit on your server. Okay, first you need to set up a server. Pretty easy if you follow my steps closely. We are on the Bukkit wiki. On setting up a server, the link is in the description so you can click it. Okay, first step, you download the craftbukkit latest build by clicking over here. It will download a jar file and you might need to say accept it, but it will appear in your downloads folder over here. Now straight off you want to rename this craftbukkit.jar. So all these numbers here that say it's for a 1.2.5 server, you don't need that. Actually, you don't want them there, but because they might cause problems. And then you want a folder somewhere on your computer where you want to run the server. You copy this craftbukkit file into that folder. So we have the server folder over here with nothing but the craftbukkit file in here. Do not open it yet, we will come to that later. The first thing you have to do right now is open up WordPad, Notepad, or just anything you really use. I like to use Notepad++, just something I prefer. Now again we will get some information from setting up a server, because you will need to copy this over here, this bit of text. You can copy it and put it in your notepad. Since I am running on my Java on a 64-bit version, I have to add a colon or a parenthesis here and x86 and close parenthesis because it's 64-bit. Then it will open the craftbukkit.jar that is in this folder over here, and that's all you need to do. Now you need to save the file as a batch file in the same folder. I will go to my desktop and to my server folder. There you can see there's a craftbukkit file, and you want to save this as a run.bat. That's a batch file, so it's make sure it says run.bat over here at file name and save it. Now you can exit out of this window and you see the run.bat file over here. Now you're good to go. Double click the run file you just created and it will say some warnings and info, and as you can see it's generating files in the folder right now as plugins, the world, and everything you would need. So right now you want to opt yourself on your own server. That would be Flexo013 for me, and save this file. Now you can do an easy reload in the command over here and it will be reloaded. Now I am an op on my server. So now we have a server. I will show you guys that there is a server. I'll log in and straight up go to multiplayer, my own IP, which is currently a Hamachi IP, and as you can see I am on the server right now. There are no such things as plugins right now, but we will come to that in a few. The world is still generating, and as you can see on the command file I just entered my own world. But we want to stop the server before we edit any plugins. So stopping the server, which you can see over here, the connection lost because the server has been stopped. Now we can exit this command.exe window and we will go to the WorldEdit plugin. First you will need to go to this dev.bukkit.org site where you can download WorldEdit. You click on the link right over here and you see the latest version of it and you download it and it will appear in your downloads folder. I already have it over here. And why is it not opening? Nope, not working. Let me get to my downloads file or folder manually. There we go. We see the WorldEdit zip file we downloaded from this link over here. Now you want to open it with something like you want to unzip it over here. Just unzip. It will give you a lot of files, but you will only need the WorldEdit.jar file. Drag it over here into the plugins folder of your server, and that's all you need to do. You can get rid of these files over here, and also the craft scripts is also one you won't need on a regular WorldEdit server. So now we have our plugin in the plugins folder, and we can run the server once again. It will say that WorldEdit is being loaded and the server has been started. Now I can start up my Minecraft once more, connect to the server, and this is without any actual mods on my single player. This is nothing of this is client side, only the shadow textures you see. But right now I am in the server. I joined, as you can see. And since I am an op on this world, I can check how many plugins there are. And there is one plugin, and that is WorldEdit. So if you see this, you successfully created your own server with WorldEdit. And I will show you just a small feature of WorldEdit. There we go. And now I have diamonds. I successfully created a server, and I hope this tutorial has been straightforward, and have fun on your own WorldEdit server. And there is a link on screen of a playlist where you can learn every single feature of WorldEdit. So be sure to check it out, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.